So for my research bolts, I want to quickly talk about one of the resources that I found in my search for my annotated bibliography. Um, this resource is going to be Bernadette Spieler, uh, who is a professor of computing skills and education at Zurich University of Teacher Education in Switzerland. I found this through Kennesaw. Originally I found the initial article that piqued my interest, and the reason that this is incredibly relevant to me and why I think it's so important and why I'm choosing to continue to follow this woman, well, I'll explain in a minute. Um, but this resource specifically is spectacular for figuring out how to engage women in STEM or utilizing instructional technology. Um, because like I said, I've seen an issue with it, like where they're not as interested in playing with the robots or whatnot in my classroom, and that's exactly what this article is all about. Basically, they offered three different, well, I don't want to go too far into it, but uh, essentially it's determining alternative methods for engaging uh, females in computer science. And it's a terrific thing. It's got some nice data. It's not like the biggest study group ever in the world, but they did make some interesting conclusions based on the data that they were able to collect. And it is a unique and exciting alternative to be implemented in my classroom. And which basically led me to go, okay, well, who is this person? And I clicked on their profile and I did some research and, or sorry, not research, but I looked around on the internet and I was able to locate this ResearchGate.net with her profile fully uploaded, and she has quite a bit, and she seems incredibly active in the the learner space for specifically like instructional technology and how technology is utilized to accomplish goals. So a lot of this stuff already that she has posted sounds really interesting to me. I'd be interested in reading it, and I'm excited to see what she produces in the future. So I went ahead and followed her on this website. I created an account and followed it and set up notification systems. Um, I also checked out the other professors, and they did have some interesting work, but Bernadette here definitely seemed to um, be producing a lot of information. Some of these others are continuing on to that previous research, but this one is definitely the one that I want to look into because it's incredibly recent. It's exactly in the wheelhouse of what I'm looking for.